Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Samasta Jana Kalyane Yatam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Gurum Brahma Vidvaram. Om Dakshine Lakshmano Yasya Vame tu Janakatmaja Purato Marutir Yasya Tam Vande Raghunandanam. Hari Om. Shri Rama Navami. Bhagwan Shri Rama appeared for whom Ram Bhagat Nar Hit Tanudhari. Ram Bhagat Hit Nar Tanudhari. Sahi Sankat Ke Sadhu Sukhari. Swamiji says, Tulsidas ji says, Bhagwan, who is Parabrahma Paramatma, but assumed a human form. Why? Bhagata Hita, Naratanudhari. Bhagata Hita means for the love of his devotees. Hita also is for the welfare and well-being of his devotees. And this Bhagavan who came here, Sahi Sankata, he himself went through many kinds of, trials and tribulations and difficulties. You know the whole story of Rama. But Ke Sadhu Sukhari. But made all virtuous people happy. That's the beauty. How that Rama is Satya Shila Yuta, endowed with truth and nobility. Nyaya Dharma Rata, ever engaged in Dharma and Nyaya justice. Priya Darshana Shri Ram. That's Shri Rama, Priya Darshan. His darshan itself is Priyam. When you see him, मानव को सिखाने धर्म को मानव बने श्री राम. To teach, to educate human beings what dharma is, he himself became a human being first. That is the beauty. Not sitting somewhere high above and telling Manava, this is your dharma, these are your duties and responsibilities and all that, not like that. He became Manava. Martyavataraha Marte Shikshanarthaha. Bhagavan's this human incarnation is meant for teaching human beings. We hear a lot of instructions in the Vedas and all our Shastras. But we are not satisfied only listening to instructions. We want to see demonstration. Has anybody lived that life? That is a question. And when that someone is there who has shown us that, then we say, yes, that's what it is possible. Otherwise, it remains only some kind of abstract teaching. So, Bhagavan. Now, see, when you say Bhagavan Rama came for the love of his devotees and for their welfare, well-being, but those who are not devotees then, did Bhagavan come to kill Ravana only and Rakshasas? No. Sarva Hitavatar is Bhagavan. His avatar is meant for the welfare, well-being of all. Those who loved him, those who did not love him, those who became inimical towards him, but he was friendly. भगवान का अवतार मारने के लिए नहीं होता, तारने के लिए होता है. His avatar is not to kill anybody, but only to lift them. So even the Rakshasas who were also killed in the battlefield, but they did not go to hell. That's why it is saying Nirvana Prasama Anako. Who is there like Rama in bestowing liberation to everybody? That is Shri Ram. But you know, in our Bhakti Shastra, it is said, Ram se bada Ram ka naam. Bhagwan's name is even greater than Bhagwan himself. So we wonder. Either we wonder or we doubt. That's our nature. How can that be? We say, राम भगत हित नर तनुधारी सही संकट के साधु सुगारी नाम सप्रेम जपत नयासा भगत होई मुद मंगल वासा. Rama had to go through many difficulties to make so many people happy, but the Nama is such that you sing and you become happy. Nama makes you happy very easily. Rama had to go through difficulties. And the beauty of Nama is, Nama existed even before Rama came. And even Rama avatar, Bhagavan is eternal only, but when he withdrew his form, the name still remains. In a story, how many people were directly blessed by Rama? You can give a list. But the Nama has purified countless people. But remember, that also is the greatness of him only. Because of his greatness, the Nama also had that greatness. Therefore, Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. नाम राम रूप राम गुण धाम, राम नाम राम रूप राम गुण धाम, श्रवण राम मनन राम नमन राम राम, श्रवण राम मनन राम नमन राम राम, राम 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 कथा हरे व्यथा राम सुख धाम, राम कथा हरे व्यथा राम सुख धाम, भक्त वत्सल भक्त प्राण भक्त धन राम, भक्त वत्सल भक्त प्राण भक्त धन राम, राम 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 नाम राम रूप राम गुण धाम, श्रवण राम मनन राम नमन राम राम, राम कथा हरे व्यथा राम सुख धाम, भक्त वसल भक्त प्राण भक्त धन राम, राम 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 सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। ही सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की नाम, that is the नाम, नाम सप्रेम जपत अनयासा भगत हो ही मुद मंगल वासा। The महिमा of नाम is whether you know its meaning or you don't know the meaning, whether you know its glory, you don't know its glory, and still it purifies you. In one of the songs, Swamiji said, Jani nama ajani leene naraka surapuramani. If you chant the name of Ram, Nam, knowing its glory, greatness, meaning, or without knowing, then what happens? That person does not go to Naraka, does not go to hell. Oh, then he must be going to heaven. He said, no, he doesn't go to heaven also. Arey, doesn't go to hell also, doesn't go to heaven also. Then where do you go? Straight to Bhagwan. Bhagavan is beyond heaven and hell and Swarga, Naraka. Because the Swarga is such, from there you have to come back only. And you know, after enjoying all kinds of luxuries, pleasure, then come back to this, then it is very painful. So Bhagavan's Nama, Bhagavan's Rupa, form, Nama, Rupa, Gunadham. Therefore, Shravanaram, therefore listen to Bhagavan. Manaram, reflect on Rama. And Namanaram. Namana means prostrating, bowing down. Oh. In Namana also is a very interesting word. Because when you do prostrations, then na manaha, the mind only disappears. Na does not remain there. नमन करना चाहिए भगवान. श्रवण राम, मनन राम, नमन राम. And do you know, when you listen to Katha is one thing and watching the Leela of Bhagavan is another thing. When you watch Bhagavan's Leelas, sometimes you may get confused. And your doubts can be there. And when the doubts are there, they can be removed only by listening to the story of Ram. So Ram Katha, listening to Ram Katha is sometimes more important than watching your Ram Leela. In Ramayana you will find different people got deluded watching the Ram Leela. But they had to listen to Ram Katha only to remove all the delusion. That's why Ram Katha Hare Vyatha. Ram Katha is such which removes all Vyatha, means all pain, suffering, sorrows. And that Bhagavan is Bhakta Vatsala, most loving and affectionate towards his devotees. Like any mother also loving babies, child. Bhakta Pran. Bhakta Pran means Bhaktas are his pranas. And he the prana of Bhaktas. Bhakta Dhana Ram. And the greatest wealth of devotees consider is Ram Nam only. Bhagavan's Nam only is Paramadhana. You know, Mirabai said, Payo ji maine Ram Ratana Dhana Payo. One Ram Ratana, but that ka Nam Ratana Dhana Payo. Ram Ratana also is correct. And what is that Ram Ratana? Nam Ratana. Nam. Do you love your Ram? You like your name? You are very fond of your name. Even some advertisement also, if your name is there, you think as though it is yours only. You know, Bhagavan also is very much in love with his own name. Therefore, if anybody remembers him with love or hatred, he blesses them. Somebody said, Bhagavan, he hated you like anything. But hated me, isn't it? So Bhagavan says, He took my name, whichever way. So Bhagavan loves his name. And therefore somebody sings his name and chants his name, he is enchanted. Therefore, name is very important. Now, tomorrow is Rama Navami. Navami, 9th, 9 Tariq. 9 number also is very important, very interesting. You go on multiplying it with anything, and whatever sum comes, if you add, it is always 9 only. You know that? You don't know. You know it. 9 multiplied 2, how much it is? 18. So 1 and 8. 9s are 3. Again 4. 36. Again 9. You see, till the end it is always 9. So 9 number is Purna and Purna. Anyway, I'll stop there only. Here now, I'm not here to teach some maths which I myself don't know, so how can I say? But the beauty of different numbers are also there. Now you have already learned that Navami Tithi Madhumasa Punita. I taught you that, and nowadays I hear also we are chanting. Forgot that if Bhagavan is going to appear here, there have to be festivities, and everybody has to be ready, prepared. Right? So now, I think you never brought your book because you thought, no, it is Guruji has to go speak. Okay, you must be having Navami Tithi Madhumasa Punita Shukala Pacha Arijita Hari Prita Madhya Divasa Atishitan Ghama Pavan Kala Loka Vishama Talamandha Sura Vivaha Bhavi Arashita Sura Santan Matachavu Girigana Maniara Sarita Amruta Dhara Piranchi Japajana Sura Saji Vimana Ankula Sura Jutha Gandharva Baruta Suanjuli Saji Agai Dundu Vibaji Karahi Naga Muni Deva Lavai Nija Nija Seva पहुँचे निज निज धाम जगन्निवास प्रभु प्रगटे अखिल लोक विश्राम सियाम रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की सब संतन की जय. Guest comes to your house, whom you really love and respect and all that. How you prepare to receive that? So now here Jagatpati Bhagwan is coming to this world. So the whole world is getting ready. Generally it is said that Brahma is what? Beyond all time, space, objects, cause and effect and everything, right? So then what happened? The time, space, they were very unhappy. They say, all the time they say, beyond time, beyond space, beyond objects and beyond cause and beyond cause, so हमारा क्या फायदा? So the Bhagavan will always remain beyond, beyond, beyond. So the time and space, the mountains and rivers and all, they were very, very unhappy. हमारी कोई वैल्यू नहीं. So Bhagavan said, no, no, no. So give the glory to all the name, form, time, desha, kala and all that. So Bhagavan said, I appear in time. Kalaha paramashobhanaha, that's what in Bhagavatam it is said when Bhagavan Shri Krishna was speaking. Paramashobhanaha. So the time when it was told, oh, Navami Tithi, that 9th day of the Chaitra Mas, Bhagavan, so the time felt very, very happy. Aha! Now people will be waiting for me. When that time will come, time will come. Navami Tithi, Madhumasa Punita. Madhumas means the Chaitra Mas which is going on now. And in this Chaitra Mas, how many New Years we celebrated? Of Maharashtra and Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Sindhi, Bengali, all in this only. That's beauty of our India, our Bharat. We have many happy New Years in 1 year only. According to this, according to that. Navami Tithi, Madhu Mas, Punita, because of Pavitra Mas. In that also, Shukla Paksh, the bright fortnight. So Navami Tithi became very happy. Chaitra Mas became very happy. Bright fortnight became very happy. In my Paksha, Bhagavan is going to come. The Paksha word also is very nice, taking somebody's side. Bhagavan is not Nishpaksha then. Bhagavan take Paksha, Shukla Paksha. Then Krishna Paksha was unhappy, so he said, wait, Krishna, I will come that time. Okay. So Bhagavan on the side of everybody. Shukla Paksha, Abhijit Hari Prita. And that nakshatra where Bhagavan came was called Abhijit Nakshatra. It is that Abhijit appears only for a short time. And Bhagavan came there, making everybody happy. Navami Tithi Madhumasa Punita, Shukla Paksha Hari, Abhijit Hari Prita. Madhya Divasa Ati Sitana Ghama, and he came in the midday, which was neither very cold and not very hot. Now we are feeling very hot because we have created ecological imbalance. Therefore, the whole world weather has changed. Otherwise, Bhagavan, when he came Chaitra Mas, Madhya Divasa Ati Sita Na Ghama. Neither it was too cold because of cold. Or hot, 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 hot. No, 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 no. Ah. Then Vayu Devata. Vayu Devata said, I also want to do some seva. No. Because when Bhagavan comes, who will be fanning? So Vayu Devata said, Ha. Shitala Manda Surabhi Bahu. The breeze that was blowing, Shitala, cool. Not cold, cool. Manda, very soft breeze. Surabhi, Sugandhi, fragrant. They all are waiting for Bhagavan. Harashita Sura, Santan Manachao. All devatas, their hearts were delighted. And that is because their own selfish reason also. Because that Ravana has given so much trouble to them. I am waiting for Ravana's vadam only. And Bhagavan had said he would come, right? So they were happy enough since Bhagavan is coming. So Ravana will be finished. And there will be a finishing touch. And we all will be very happy. The prospects of Bhagavan's arrival delighted devatas. Harshita Sura, Santan Mana Chahu. Chahu means great utsaha, great enthusiasm was there. Expectation. In the hearts of all great saints. Saints were happy because of love for Bhagavan. That's all. Devatas were happy because their troubles were going to end. Harashita Sura Santa Manacham. Giri Gana Baniyara, Sravahi Saritamrita Dhara. And it is said, the great precious stones and gems, and they are there in the depth of the ocean and also on the mountains. Shaile Shailena Manikyam. Every mountain may not have Manikyam Moti, but they all are hidden. So the Parvatas thought, we should also do some makeup. We should also appear beautiful. So what is the use of hiding all ornaments? Right? See, many people here, they keep their ornaments in the bank locker. But when there is a festival, they what do? Bring no fun there. So all these precious stones and Mani Manikya Moti, they just appeared and the mountains were looking so beautiful. And the joy of Sarita, Sharayu Nadi and others, Amrita Dhara, the nectarian waters were flowing in the rivers. And waves were joy raising, our waves of joy. See how the beautiful are. Otherwise, they say, Bhagavan is beyond time, space, names, forms, and all that. Right? So they are very little sad, you know. But Bhagavan says, okay, wait. So Bhagavan coming. And then he appeared in Ayodhya Nagari. So that Ayodhya Nagari also became so great. And they say that Nirgun Paramatma has no mother and father. So many jivas said, well, then what is the use of ours, you know? So Bhagwan came as the son of Dashrath and Kausalya. Viranchi means Brahmaji. Viranchi. So avasara Viranchi jab jana. Now Brahmaji, he is able to see the future events earlier only, no? So he knew that now his Bhagavan is coming. And he was very happy. Why he was happy? Hey? You go and ask him. One reason was, he thought he only gave the fools to that Ravana and all that. But now Bhagavan is coming to Ravana will be gone. Brahmaji's glory also will be there. But more than that, Brahmaji was very happy because Dashrath Maharaj and Kausalya were there in his creation. He says, someone in my creation is getting that honor of parenting Bhagavan. जिनहि विरचि बड़ भयहु विधाता. So he also got glory. That in his creation, there is someone. Here is Dashrath Maharaj and here is Kausalya ji. They will become the father, mother of Shri Ram. That is what the beauty of this Bhagavan is. He gives glory, beauty to everyone. Even Ravana became famous because he became enemy of Rama, isn't it? Otherwise, there are so many were devatas and all that. But अरे शत्रु भी बनना है तो किसी का बनना चाहिए. ऐसे आयरे गेरे का बनने से क्या फायदा? You have to become enemy. You have to become an enemy of someone. ऑर्डिनरी किसी के एनिमी तो उसका मजा ही नहीं कुछ. So that's why when the battle also between Rama and Ravana, there is no upama for that battle also. It is said Akash is like Akash, ocean is like ocean only, and Ram Ravana's Yuddha is also like Ram Ravana Yuddha only. There is no comparison. Arihuk anabhala keenana Rama. Bharatji said, Rama is so great, he did not harm even his enemies. So all names, all forms, the whole nature attain that glory. Therefore, we wait for that time, we wait for that place, we wait for that great appearance. Dhanya Ayodhya Nagri and Dhanya Sharayu Nadi. Dhanya, blessed indeed they are. That Rama, Bhagavan, chose that place. Right? That place, that time, those people, and became friendly to all, one and all. Whether devatas, or rishi, muni, sura, sadhu, santa, bhakta, and birds and animals. and trees. When he was in search of Sitaji, it is said, like a mad person, he was going and embracing trees also. And asking everyone, have you seen Sita? You think Bhagwan is mad or what? Sant Eknath Maharaj said, all the trees, they were great bhaktas. They were also waiting for Bhagwan. And they wanted to have embrace from him. That's what he was doing. It appears that what he is doing. But one humorous Leela also I'll tell you. Bhagwan Rama, enjoying the company of Sita ji, Chitrakoot. You know, he used to bring flowers and used to make ornaments and put on Sita ji's Kangan, Mala. Such loving. So what happened? Many Rishi Munis, they thought, हमारी भी शादी हो जाए तो कितना अच्छा होगा. If we can also get married, then we can also have this such an affectionate wife, and then we can also. So Bhagwan said, this Rishi Muni's life is not meant for this. So they were getting fascinated by that. So then what he did, something happened. And Ravana came and took away Sita ji. And then Rama is in search of crime. Or Rishi Muni said, हम जैसे वैसे ठीक. As we are, it is all right, you know. बड़ा problem हो जाता. Bhagwan's Leela. Therefore, be what you are, but sing Bhagwan's name. Okay? That's all which is important. Now I have to give some breaking news also. Breaking news. You see, this Bhagwan Ram is very strange. वो क्या करना चाहता है कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. So the Bhagwan Ram is sending me tomorrow. By evening I will be here. Tomorrow he is sending me to a Pujya Gurudev devotee's house. And I know I tried my best. But Bhagwan is Bhagwan. Can you भगवान से पंगा ले सकते हैं? नहीं ले. So Bhagwan said, no, you have to go. That is something, you know, sometime we have to do. So tomorrow morning, here, Shri Rama Janma, what do you know? For one reason I accepted. Because one thing is you can't argue. And Gurudev devotees are something very special occasion which could not be postponed or anything. So therefore, but then I thought, स्वामी अद्वैतानंद ही है, उनको भी तो कुछ करना चाहिए कि नहीं. सारी साधना सारे प्रवचन हम ही करें तो आपको भी तो कुछ करना होगा. सारे प्रवचन हम ही करें तो आपको भी तो कुछ करना ही होगा। राम जन्म, जोग लगन ग्रह वार तिथि भय सबकल अनुकूल, चर अरु अचर ही हर्ष ही राम जन्म सुख मूल। और योग लग्न तारीख नक्षत्र एवरीथिंग बिकेम very very अनुकूल and all चराचर जगत is very happy because राम जन्म is सुख मूल। जनरली they say सुखस्य मूलम धर्मः, the source of sukham is dharma, but here is the very source of dharma himself is coming. Ram Janma Sukha Mool. Okay? So therefore, now we'll sing Ram. I had taught you once. Which? Ram Nam, Gaye Ham. Rama, 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 Rama. You remember the tune? Yeah, we'll sing as we sing, you will know it. Rama Nam, Rama Nam, Gaye Ham. Rama, 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 Rama. Rama Nam, Rama Nam, Gaye Ham. Rama, 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 Gaye Rama, 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 Gaye Rama, 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 Nam, Rama Nam, Gaye Ham. Rama, 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 Rama Nam, Rama Nam, Gaye Ham. Rama, 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 Rama Nam, Rama Nam, Gaye Ham. Rama, 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 Nam, Rama Nam, Gaye Ham. Rama, 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 Rama. श्याम रामचंद्र भगवान की, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की। जय 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 राघवा जानकी वल्लभा, जय 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 राघवा जानकी वल्लभा, जय सुर नर सेविता जाम्बवंत पूजिता, जय सुर नर सेविता जाम्बवंत पूजिता, जय 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 राघवा जानकी वल्लभा, जय 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 राघवा जानकी वल्लभा, जनार्दना जगन्नाथ जानकी कांत राम, जनार्दना जगन्नाथ जानकी कांत राम, जनन मरण वर्जिता जनकपुर विराजिता जनन मरण वर्जिता जनकपुर विराजिता जय 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 राघव जानकी वल्लभ जय 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 राघव जानकी वल्लभ जय 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 राघव जानकी वल्लभ जनार्दन जगन्नाथ जानकी कांत राम जनार्दन जगन्नाथ जानकी कांत राम जानकी कांत राम जानकी कांत राम जनार्दन जगन्नाथ जानकी कांत राम जनार्दन जगन्नाथ जानकी कांत राम जनन मरण वर्जिता जनकपुर विराजिता जनन मरण वर्जिता जनकपुर विराजिता जय 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 राघव जानकी वल्लभ जय सुर नर सेविता जाम्बवंत पूजिता जनार्दन जगन्नाथ जानकी कांत राम जानकी कांत राम जनार्दन जगन्नाथ जानकी कांत राम जनन मरण वर्जिता जनकपुर विराजिता जनन मरण वर्जिता जनकपुर विराजिता जय 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 राघव जानकी वल्लभ जय 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 राघव जानकी वल्लभ जानकी वल्लभ जानकी वल्लभ वल्लभ सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की पवन सुत हनुमान की उमापति महादेव की लो भाई सब संतन की सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Tomorrow evening again we have satsang. राम नाम राम नाम राम नाम। ओम सर्वेषां सर्वेषां शांतिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मंगलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।